Hello, my patron friends. Um, there's just one of you at the moment. So, hi, Aluza. Thanks for being a patron, my first patron. So, I'm taking 5-minute breaks on my work just to show a little bit what I'm working on. At the moment, I'm creating some magic spells, and at this particular time, I'm working on what I would call Ray of Frost. It's a magic spell that turns people or objects into ice. So that's a kind of a quick one, a small. This one is longer, the second one I did so far. This one is more windy. So this is basically it for the moment, but there's gonna be plenty more magic spells like fire, wind, electricity spells, bursts of flames, voids, fireballs, magic missiles, flaming spheres, and so on. And also last night, I recorded about more than 2 hours of thunderstorm. I just left my my recorder device records what was going on outside. So I got a few thunder strikes, but they was kind of far away, so a bit disappointing. I missed all the big ones in the beginning. Then I got some rain a little bit. It's always useful to have some thunder strikes and rain, always. So I got maybe this one is not so bad. Let's see. Still a bit far though, but could be useful anyway. So here you go. I'll see you next time for another exclusive video sometime probably next week. Thanks again for being my patrons, and see you soon. Bye bye.